How to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. Now this tutorial that I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be working both from your laptop or your mobile phone through the app. Now for you to be able to fix it, just go directly to roblox.com or access the application and make sure that you logged into your account. So what you want to do from here is just locate the gear icon, which will take you to your Roblox settings. Now click on settings and you will be redirected to all of the settings that you can access. And from here, all you have to do first is just, if you already added a phone number from your Roblox account, what you want to do is just simply remove it and re-add it again. And once you have re-added it, just go directly to privacy and content maturity. And from here, you should be able to find the voice chat option. Just make sure that it is enabled or turned on. So that's it. That's the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Roblox voice chat not showing up.